Do you know that feeling when you look at our society and think, something's just not going right? As a human race, we have a common goal: making our existence on Earth ecologically, socially, and economically sustainable as quickly as possible. Still, climate change is racing towards us, and we're on the best way to emit the total amount of CO2 left for humanity before 2030. With all the cars, plastic packaging, cheap t-shirts and electronic devices, we use 1.7 times the resources Earth could handle sustainably. But investing so much in comfort, have we at least created happy humans? It doesn't seem like it. Social media and job environments often cause us to feel like we're not good enough. We were so good at making ourselves independent from others that in many cases we have completely lost contact to our immediate social surroundings. When did you last have a cup of tea with your neighbor? When did you last get a really heartfelt hug? When did you last have a deep conversation with your grandma? Not to speak of natural surroundings. Can you recall the sounds of the trees and animals in the forest? When did you last jump into a puddle in the rain? With the loss of connection to our environments, unhealthy food, and little movement, we seem to fall into a toxic routine where we constantly feel stressed and dissatisfied. Well, that's just the way society is. But is it really?
We are Nina and Nico, and we decided to take a trip around the world to challenge just that statement. Who says we can't lead a life in harmony with nature and the people around us that is closer to the conditions our human bodies and brains are wired for? So how do we start this? With our belongings on our backs and sleeping in a tent, we will search for communities, projects, and cultures that have achieved to put one or more aspects of sustainability into practice. We will live with them, give them a hand, and learn from their experience. And we'll document it on YouTube to share it with all of you. But who are we? We're two mid-20s who have wandered through quite a few different worlds already. Nina is a professional chef who's cooked everywhere from a field to a Michelin-starred kitchen. She loves taking part in shaping the future of our food system by getting her hands dirty in regenerative farming projects. And wherever she hears a good tune, she can't keep her body from grooving. Nico can professionally instruct you in windsurfing, sailing, or athletics. In 5 different languages if you wish. After uni, he spent 1 year learning how to build sailboats and 1 year studying music. So obviously his guitar must come with us as well. Both of us recently completed a bachelor's degree in international management. Instead of putting a master's degree on top, we decided to enroll for the University of Life and get the knowledge we're looking for in the real world. Our search will begin in Middle and South America. So our journey starts with quite an adventure. Join us at the end of November, when we will set off to cross the Atlantic by sail, with 3 people we've never met before, on a boat we've never been on.